We'll guide you through how to fix the Windows 11 taskbar not working. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying as it means you're unable to use it, and it may not be working in different ways. It may not be showing, or it may not be working when you click it. So make sure it's this full video to know the different ways you can try and fix it. For the first way, if you're finding that it's not showing, try placing your cursor right at the bottom and it may then go and appear. If it does, then we can go and disable this feature of where it disappears. Right click on a blank space on your desktop and you can go and click on personalize. You can then scroll down and find the option for taskbar, scroll down and find taskbar behaviors, and you want to switch off automatically hide the taskbar. It'll then go and stay and not go and disappear. However, if that isn't a problem, it just doesn't work when you try and click it, then you need to press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. You'll see a list of options and you need to click Task Manager. You'll go and see something like this. Tap on the search at the top and you can go and type in Explorer, then you can select it and you want to click on Restart Task at the top right like so. Now your computer will go and reload, and what you can do is go and see if it's now working. Hopefully it is. If it still isn't working, then what you want to do is try performing a restart on your computer. Click the Windows Start button, go to the right and click the power button and press restart. Hopefully that solves it.